Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jodie and I help you change your beliefs so you can change your body, your health, and your life. This video, I want to talk about making fat loss easier. And the way you do this is to stop chasing it. This applies to anything in your life. Think about the things that you kind of don't care so much about, right? They happen easily for you. They come in easily for you because you let it go. You might want it, but you let it go because you don't care so much. You're not chasing it. You're not trying to force it to happen. You kind of just know it's going to happen and then it does. Practice this, right? Like with simple things. I do it all the time. I think I've spoken about this before, but I want to get a free coffee today. And it might not happen today, but it's going to happen tomorrow or the next day because I kind of don't care that much. I'm going to get a coffee regardless and I let it go. I'm not trying to force getting a free coffee. It just ends up happening because I have let it go and I know I'm going to get one regardless. That's how you've got to think about fat loss, right? You have to be sure that it's going to happen regardless at some point because you are committed to the process and you are doing the actions that you need to do. You're being the person that is lean already. If it's going to happen, why are you trying to control it so much? Why are you trying to force it to happen? Why are you looking at all the different information out there to make sure that you're doing everything that you can rather than just trusting you are doing the basics? It might be a bit boring, but that is how it's meant to be. It's happening. It might be slower than you want, but it is happening and it's going to continue happening. And so you can kind of just enjoy your life, enjoy the process as best you can, and know that it's coming. Obsession and forcing, controlling, slows everything down. When you're gripping to something tightly, it's because you want that certainty that it is going to happen. And instead, what you need to do is be okay being in the uncertainty. At the end of the day, you are going to face that because fat loss is not going to happen how you think it should if you're doing things right anyway. So there is going to be that sense of, is it actually happening? Am I doing the right thing? And that is where you have to trust, whether it is in what you have learned and the information you are deciding to follow, or putting that trust in someone else like a coach, therefore knowing that they've got you. All you really need to do is follow their guidance and it's going to happen, even if it doesn't look like how you think it should. And remember, you have to be committed to the process more than the outcome because that's how you end up getting the outcome that you want. When you have surrendered, when you are simply aligned with that version of yourself that has the things that you want, so being aligned with that person who has your dream body, who is lean and fit and healthy, just becomes a natural part of who you are. You don't even want to try and grip onto it or force it or control it because it just is. You're not waking up every day checking the scale and, looking in the mirror and pinpointing where you've still got too much fat. You're waking up and thinking, what do I need to do today to improve on yesterday? Am I showing up as that version of myself that has the body that I want? You're not thinking about timelines or when it's going to happen because it is happening, maybe slowly, but what actually speeds it up is not thinking about it. You've probably heard this before, but a cake doesn't bake faster because you're watching it and looking at the time. It actually makes it feel slower. When you just leave it in the oven and go about your day, come back to it, it's ready, it feels like it happened a lot faster, right? It's the same with fat loss. That is all for this video. I hope it helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email. I put that in the description box. If you liked it, please like it. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe. And if that's the case, I will see you in the next video.